If you're looking for a great 5G smartphone at an affordable price, your search might soon be over. Because Nokia is about to launch a powerhouse smartphone for you, packed with a 200 megapixel camera and a massive 7000 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Nokia Hero Max 5G. So, if you're interested in buying this smartphone, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because today we're going to reveal all the leaked features, price, and launch date of this amazing device. So let's start. Features of Nokia Hero Max 5G. This stunning smartphone comes with a 6.76-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, featuring a 120 Hz refresh rate, and 360 Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. Plus, it includes an in-display fingerprint sensor, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection. And guess what? It's also IP68 rated, making it dust and water resistant. Camera setup. When it comes to cameras, this phone doesn't disappoint. On the back, you get a quad camera setup, led by a 200 megapixel primary sensor, along with 32 megapixel, 16 megapixel, and 5 megapixel secondary cameras. And for selfie lovers, there's a 32 megapixel front camera, to capture those perfect shots. Performance. Under the hood, the Nokia Hero Max 5G runs on the latest Android 15, and is powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring blazing fast performance. Battery backup. And here's the best part, it packs a huge 7000 mAh battery, with 100 watt fast charging, and a USB Type-C port, so you can stay powered up all day without worry. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The expected price is around $650. As for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but stay tuned for updates.